video, we are going to see a problem on square pyramid. Here is a question. It is given that a square pyramid, side of base 40 mm and axis height 60 mm, has one of its side of base in the HP. Draw its projections if the axis is inclined at 45 degree to HP and parallel to VP. So this is the question in front of us. By reading the question, the type of solid is understood that it is a square pyramid. So first I'll draw a rough diagram of a square pyramid and explain the initial conditions. Now, this is a square pyramid having a square at the base. It means it has four base edges and there are four triangular faces. Next, all the base edges, they are connected to a common vertex which is point O. And now when I read the question, it is given that square pyramid side of base 40 mm and axis height 60 mm has one of its side of base in the HP. It means the pyramid is resting in HP. If it is resting in HP, it means it is resting on a ground. So when it is resting on the ground, from the top, the pyramid will appear like a square. And for that, I am going to draw two conditions. Now, these are the two conditions for the square pyramid. It means here is point O, which is the vertex. And these are the four triangular faces as they would be looking from the top. Now, here the square prism can be kept in this way, which is the first condition. This condition is that the square pyramid is resting on its edge. This is the resting edge. And the other condition shows that the pyramid is resting on its corner. So there are two conditions in which the pyramid can be rested, either on the edge or on one of its corner. So if I read the question again, it is said that square pyramid side of base 40 mm and axis height 60 mm has one of its side of base in the HP. So if it is given that there is a side of base, it means it is resting on this edge and not the corner. So out of the two conditions, the first condition is correct. So this will be the initial condition, that is the pyramid will look like this from the top view. So let us get started with the solution to this problem. So here is the XY line, VP vertical plane, HP horizontal plane. I need to draw the initial condition for the square pyramid. The side of base is 40. So this is the initial condition, and here I make the edges dark. So in this way the pyramid will look from the top. Here I'll give the notations to it. Next, this is the top view of the square pyramid. After that, I will be drawing the front view, projecting the points upwards, and here there is an apex which is point O. The height of the apex is given as 60 mm. So I'll mark 60 over this. The apex is seen as a point in the top view and it will be seen as a line in the front view with point O dash. Now, here I will be joining these edges to complete the pyramid in the front view. Points 1 and 2, they are coinciding. Actually, this 1 and 2 is an edge. It will be seen as a point in front view. In the top view, it is seen as an edge 1 to 2, whereas in the front view, it will be seen as a point because both the points are coinciding here. So 1 dash, 2 dash. Next, here is the apex, and then points 3 and 4. It is seen as an edge in the top view, whereas in the front view, it will be seen as points. So 3 dash and 4 dash. Next, here this triangular face, which is O 2 3, it will be seen in the front view as a triangle which is seen here, and coinciding with 2 and 3 is coinciding with 1 and 4. So here there is no need to draw a dark line in between because this complete triangle is visible. Next, I'll mark the axis here. So this is the axis of the square pyramid. In the question, it was given that draw its projections, that is of the square pyramid, if the axis is inclined at 45 degree to HP. If it is inclined at 45 degree to HP, it means it will be seen in VP because inclination which is given with respect to any plane, it will be visible in the opposite plane. If it is given that it is inclined at 45 degree to HP, it will be seen in VP. Next, if it is inclined to HP, it means it will be parallel to VP. So inclined to one plane, it means parallel to the other plane. So here 45 degree to HP, the axis is inclined, and here I can see that axis and base, they are perpendicular to each other. So when the axis is inclined at 45 degree, in that case the base will also be inclined at 45 degree. So here I'll draw an angle at 45 degree, means I'll be tilting the pyramid onto the right hand side. So taking an angle of 45 degree, drawing a light line. Now here what I am doing is tilting the square pyramid about the edge 3 4. So when it is tilted about the edge, I have to draw that pyramid. So first thing is I'll mark the base. Base is up till here. I'm keeping the point and marking this base. The same distance I'll be plotting it here. Then axis. So here we have, this is point 3 dash comma 4 dash. This is 1 dash comma 2 dash, and this line indicates the axis. So keeping a point here and drawing a 90-degree line which will be for the axis. As axis height is known to us, the same axis height I'll take it from the initial condition and plot it over here. So this gives me point O dash, and joining them in the sequence. So this is the tilted pyramid in which the axis is inclined at 45 degree given. So when the axis is inclined at 45 degree, even the base is inclined at 45 degree, because axis and base, they are 90 degree to each other. So the remaining angle is 45 degree. Next, I'll draw it dark, making the edges dark. Next, here I have tilted the square pyramid, and this is the front view of that tilted pyramid. Next, I'll have to draw the top view. So for that, the observer is here. And when the observer is looking from the top, or if we are looking from the top, the closest point to us is the apex that we have to project it first. So here I'll project the apex from the top view, and then from the front view. So this gives me point O, which is the apex. Next, when I'm looking from the top, this edge, which is 1 dash 2 dash, is also visible, so which is closest to me. So I'll draw it first, or project it first. So here 1 dash will be in the top view. This is point 1. On the same line we have point second as well, point 2. Next, for 3 and 4, I'll draw the projections. So here there is point 3 and point 4. Now I have to connect the points based on the visibility. So when looking from the top, point O, which is apex, is visible. Now here, after I have completed the front view of the tilted pyramid, the next thing would be to draw the top view based on the visibility. If I see here as an observer, when this pyramid is tilted, the triangular face O12 will be in front of the observer, which can be seen as a line in the front view. It means from O to 1 and 2. This will be a complete triangular face, which we can make it dark. So first, I'll draw it light, and then I'll make it dark. After that, see, whenever we are drawing in case of projection of solids, the outlines are never hidden. So we can make the outlines dark. Like here I can join from O to 4 and O to 3. Now I'll make it dark. So this is the tilted pyramid. These are the visible portion which I can say here. That is, the triangle or the triangular face 0, 1, 2 is visible. The triangular face 0, 1, 4 is visible. And the triangular face 0, 2, 3 is visible. But there is an edge 3 to 4 about which the square pyramid was tilted. And when it is tilted about that edge, from the top view, that edge won't be visible because it is going away from the observer. So it means when I would be connecting 3 to 4, it needs to be connected with the help of hidden lines or dashed lines. So edge 3 to 4 is not visible. Then I'll project the axis in the top view. And finally giving the dimensioning. Base edge is of 40 mm side and axis height is 60 mm given. 60 and inclination of the axis is 45 degree. So here, as it was given in the question, there is a square pyramid resting on it, one of its base edge. Then that pyramid was tilted at 45 degree to HP, which is seen in VP. And for that, we have to draw the projections of front view and top view. We have completed this and with this, we complete the problem.